How to fix Samsung Notes app not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Scroll down and search Notes app from here. Scroll down and search Notes app. Scroll down and you will see. Click on this search icon and search Notes app. You will see Samsung Note is here, so click on Samsung Notes. Scroll down and click on Storage. So if you want to fix Samsung Notes app not working problem, so first of all click on Clear Cache. So after click on Clear Cache, click on Clear Data. So after Clear Data, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Samsung Notes app not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.